I am Paige Critchley, and I own Paige's Pit Stop here in Waterford. I got into it by a fruit stand I opened in 2017 on weekends. Did really well, so I went ahead and put a building up for this year and getting ready to expand again. When I moved into the house here, wanted my own garden, went ahead and started it, and it kind of grew from there. I don't think that women get the recognition we deserve in farming at times. You know, we get out there and do as much work as the guys, but sometimes we don't get the recognition for it. Most of the items I do carry here in the summertime are vegetables that I source from my own farm. I am a mentor for the ag school here in Loudoun. I've got several friends, a lot of girlfriends that are behind me that help me out in this business. They come in and help at the store, they help with the gardening, and just actually support, huge support, which means a lot when you have your